Marauders going to run lasting on a Valdez home run as the righty Chang fires first pitches line out to right field, and it's hauled in by Patrick, who started in, then went on Montero, the righty. Takes a fastball down and away for ball one. Chang's 1-0. Outside the fastball for ball two. With an injury, 2-0. Ricky pitch down and in. The change is enacted on the Marauders, 3-0. Fastball, flat out to left field. Sidestepping Valdez back in a few steps shy of the track. Makes the grab, 2 gone. Tyler Wilson batting left. And first pitch is outside for ball. Pitch, Wilson on the outside corner. 1-1 is outside for ball. Second, 2-1. Fastball flied high up in the air, slicing down the left field line. It's out of play. Starts without an unearned run. Pitch is spiked in. It's 3-2 without an earned run, I should say. So that's at least 13. 3-2's in the dirt for ball four, and Wilson walks. So we gotta go back to game 2 on Saturday, pitched by half going. Dylan Lewis, the righty with a runner on. Fastball 91, and the knee's called strike. The 0-1, runner takes off, chopped towards third. Leje charges fields, bell tied, low throw to first, picked by Plaz, and that's the 4th inning. No runners, a lone run on a home run. First pitch, the righty Harper's on the ground, and it's through the 5-6 hole in the left field, base hit for Parks Arbor. Leadoff Manzana start right now. Pitch, swing and a miss. Strike one. Chang in the second inning. The 0-1 is down and away with a slider for a ball. 22-year-old from Taiwan. 1-1. Check swing, and it's just outside with another 2-1. And it backs to Los Santos off the inside. 3-1. Fastball inside for ball four. Didn't miss by much. Deals home. Inside, back pick to first, and they didn't get him. Good throw by Burr on the mound right now. 1-0. Check swing, foul back to the screen. It's 1-0. Deals home. And a breaking ball high and tight for a ball. You're ending sooner. 2-1. High chopper foul, third base side. 2-2. Back picked by pitch. 3-2. Check swing. Tapper up the first base side. Chang scoops the glove and underhand flips to first. Plenty of time. Righty batter. First pitch to him. Fastball line out towards left field. Sinking fast, and Valdez can't get there. One hop in front of him. That scores Harbor from third. That's a tie game at 1 here in the 5th. Outs. Pitch. Change up. Outside for ball one. 1-0. Fastball away at 88 for ball two. Wet ground situation, kind of like here. 2-0. Pop foul out of play, third base side. Another game there. 2-1. Fouled off at home as Arias hobbles out. Third tie game at 1. And the 2-2. Runner in motion to second base. It's a ball. Throw to second base, and they don't get him. Runner scores from third. And it's a pitch. Outside, and Arias walks. Two walks and a pair of hits allowed in this inning by Chang. With one out, does set the double play back up, but here comes Jim Horner, and it looks like that'll be it for Hung Lung Chang. Inning in a third today. Response for both men on the base pass. 2-1. Tarpons in the 5th when we come back here on the Marauders Broadcast Network.
Hey Marauders.